PayPal launched its own stablecoin, BlockchainBurst, backed by the US dollar, treasury bills, and cash equivalents. The coin will be issued by Paxos, the same company that issued BUST, which was later labeled a security by the SEC. PayPal, an online payments giant, announced its step into the digital currency market with its own stablecoin, PayPal USD, BlockchainBurst. The coin will be pegged against the dollar and backed by dollar deposits, short-term US treasuries, and cash equivalents. Notably, the stablecoin will be issued by Paxos Trust Company, the same company that issued Binance stablecoin, BUST. The press release read, PayPal USD is designed to reduce friction for inexperienced payments in virtual environments, facilitate fast transfers of value to support friends and family, send remittances or conduct international payments, enable direct flows to developers and creators, and foster the continued expansion into digital assets by the largest brands in the world. Additionally, the stablecoin will be an ERC20 token, leveraging the security provided by the Ethereum blockchain. And, it will be initially available for eligible US customers and can be used between